Hello and welcome to our recipe of squid adobo. So our ingredients are pusit, fish balls, sibuyas, bawang, laurel, sile, tinta ng pusit, kamates, oyster sauce, toyo, lemon juice, and paminta. We start by using oil to fry our garlic, and we then add our sibuyas. Once the onions have sweated, then we will add the kamates and let it refry until it gets a nice brownish color. Once that's achieved, we can add the seafoods and fry everything together for a while. Once it all fried together for a while, it's time to add your soy sauce and your lemon juice, and to make sure it doesn't reduce too much and start caramelizing, then you can add a water and you let it simmer for a while. That would also be the time to add the squid ink and let it color the broth while it will be simmering. it simmers, it's also the time to add your seasoning, like the bay leaves and the hot peppers, and let the magic happen. We also add the oyster sauce to add a little flavor, make the flavor more complex. And so, but I guess it's up to anybody to use that. That's what it looks like when it's ready. And there it is on a plate with rice. Bon appétit!